Okay, everybody, I gave you guys lesson 1 on the economics for social studies, a basic economics concept to try. So like always, I just want to go over the first 2 questions, make sure we are understanding how to break it down, what we should be looking for, how to go back and avoid reading every single solitary thing that is given to us. Because as you can see, this passage is fairly long. So we just want to make sure we can answer a question and understand it. Again, this is out of the Kaplan book. So here we go. Just going to jump right in. Question 1 says, what is the main role of labor in an economy? Well, that's a pretty straightforward question. I just need to know what labor is and then possibly understand my answers. Answer choices: to provide capital to start a new business. B, to convert capital and raw materials into products and services. C, to purchase all the goods and services that are produced. Or D, to purchase raw materials in retail and wholesale markets. Well, I'm not even going to try to eliminate anything. I'm going to go find what labor means. So when I go back and look at this, I see the term labor. So I'm going to read: labor, the work of human beings, transforms capital and materials into goods and services that can be sold. Doesn't get any straightforward than that. So when I go back to my answer choices, I noticed that they said in here transforms. Transforms is the same thing as convert. Y'all notice that, right? To provide, to convert, to purchase, convert is the same thing as transform. So there I go. B would be my correct answer. Then I look at C. Which of the following is an example of a produce rather than a consumer a producer good rather than a consumer good? Now, y'all be careful on questions like this. Don't get caught up in, oh, they talking about consumer good, that's what I'm looking for. No, that's not what it says. It says example of a producer good. So that's the one I should be focusing on. What is a producer good? Again, I'm not sure, but I look at my answer choices: a pencil, a can opener, a cell phone, plastic material. And for me, I can see some commonality in the first 3 because a pencil is a product, can opener is a product, a cell phone is a product, but plastic material is not a product. It's something I could use to make a product. But just to make sure, I'm leaning towards D, but just to make sure, I'm just going to go figure out what is a producer good. So again, I'm going back over here and I spy the word producer good. It says the materials and parts are producer goods, while the finished computer ready to sell in stores are consumer goods. Okay, so producer goods is the parts and materials. There, answered everything for me. So when I go back over here, D would be my correct answer. Again, as always, you guys, try the rest of the problems. Focus on the questions. Make sure you understand what they are asking you. Go back. And then, as always, if you have any questions about any of it, let me know. We'll discuss it. Okay, have a good one.